Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about setting up user registration. User registration is vital for enabling users to create accounts and access specific website features. In Django, this functionality can be implemented utilizing built-in components like the user model and authentication views. Through the user model, user data can be stored in the database, allowing for user account creation. Authentication views can be utilized to manage user login, logout, and password reset functionalities seamlessly. By configuring these built-in features effectively, developers can streamline the user registration process on Django websites. The Django framework provides a predefined form called UserCreationForm to simplify the creation of user registration forms. By importing UserCreationForm from django.contrib.auth.forms and extending it in a custom form class, such as UserRegistrationForm, you can quickly set up a form for user registration. In the meta class within the custom form, specify the model, e.g. user, and the fields you want to include in the form, e.g. username, email, password1, password2. For instance, the provided code snippet showcases how to create a user registration form using the user creation form in Django. It extends the user creation form into a custom form named user registration form, defines the model as user, and includes specific fields like username, email, password1, and password2. By utilizing Django's user creation form and customizing it in a new form class, you can efficiently generate user registration forms tailored to your requirements. When working with Django for user authentication, you have access to pre-built authentication views such as login view and password change view. These views can be tailored to align with the specific needs of your application. To integrate user registration URLs in your Django project, you must define the appropriate paths in the urls.py file. This involves creating URL patterns that map to the respective views for user registration functionalities. For instance, you can define paths for user registration, login, and logout using the path function in Django. An illustration of this concept can be seen in the snippet below. Python from Django.urls import path from Django.trib.auth import views as auth views. URL patterns equals path register views register, path logins auth views.login view name equals login, path logout auth views.logout as view name equals logout. By setting up these URLs and linking them to the appropriate authentication views, you can enable users to perform essential actions like registering, logging in, and logging out within your Django application effectively. To ensure data integrity, validate user inputs in the registration form prior to saving the user information. Perform checks such as ensuring required fields are filled, validating email formats, and checking for correct input types like numeric values for age. Upon registration, display relevant success or error messages to users to communicate the outcome effectively. To enhance security, consider implementing additional measures like email verification or CAPTCHA to prevent unauthorized access. For instance, after a user fills in a registration form, they should receive a confirmation email to verify their account, ensuring the validity of their provided email address. Similarly, implementing CAPTCHA can help differentiate between human users and automated bots to protect against malicious activities. Setting up user registration is like creating a guest list for a party. Just like you would ask for each guest's name, email, and maybe some other details, user registration collects information like name, email, and password. Once the guest list is created, you can track who is attending the party. Similarly, user registration allows you to track who is using your program. If someone tries to crash the party without being on the guest list, they will be turned away. Similarly, without registering, a user cannot access certain features of the program. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning 24/7 support and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet demonstrates the setup for user registration in a Django application. A custom user model, custom user, is defined in models.py, inheriting from Django's abstract user. This model includes additional fields like age and bio. Drawing an analogy to a guest list for a party, Creating a user registration system can be compared to adding individuals to the guest list. The register user view in views.py handles the user registration process. It utilizes the UserCreationForm from Django to collect and validate user input, similar to gathering information from guests like their name, email, and other details. Upon successful validation, the form data is saved and the user is redirected to the login page. The HTML template register.html provides a basic form for user input, including fields such as username, email, and password. Users interact with this form to register, similar to how guests would provide their information to be added to the guest list for an event. By implementing this user registration system, users can access the application securely by creating an account, just as guests would need to be on the guest list to attend a party. The system ensures that only registered users can access the program, enhancing security and user management capabilities. One industrial application of setting up user registration can be seen in e-commerce platforms. For instance, users are required to create an account by providing personal details like name, address, and payment information to complete a purchase. This registration process ensures user data security, facilitates order tracking, and enables personalized shopping experiences. Another real-world example is in healthcare systems where patients need to register to access medical records, book appointments, and communicate with healthcare providers. Setting up user registration enhances data privacy compliance, streamlines administrative tasks, and enables personalized patient care. Setting up user registration is crucial across various industries to manage user access, personalize experiences, and secure sensitive information. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.